Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Bonita and I am majoring in international relations. So today I'm going to tell you about unforgettable moments, and the moment is falling from a tree. When I am 10 years old, I have an unforgettable experience. During the day, I go to play with my friend in the field. We look for fish and go along the river and the forest. When we are tired, we sit for a while near a tree. Then we go back home. Before going home, we see a tree with a lot of fruit. My friend and I thoughtlessly climb the tree. While climbing the tree, I fall down. Then I go home crying because my leg is bleeding. Thank you.